Good day everybody, we are given this question, integral negative 1 to 1 log of x positive root of x squared positive 1 times dx. Now the function here is log of x positive root of x squared positive 1. Now apparently we have been given the limits negative 1 to 1. So my intention is to see if the given function is odd. If the given function is odd, then that would imply the integral negative 1 to 1 f of x dx to be equal to 0. So this is because f of x is odd. If we can arrive at this, then the entire integration would lead us to 0. With that in mind, let me check if f of x is odd. So that is the objective. So for that, let x be equal to negative x in 1. So I take this as 1 and I am going to ascertain the claim, or I would say the hypothesis. You can take it in whatever manner you want. So substituting x equal to negative x, we get f of negative x is equal to log of negative x positive negative x squared positive 1. This can be rewritten as log of, I'm going to write this as root of negative x squared is going to be x squared positive 1 negative x. So this is what we have got. Now I want to actually rationalize this particular quantity, okay, because log is an operator, but this is the quantity on which the log is operating. So I want to rationalize this and see. So I'm going to multiply this by root of x squared positive 1 positive x divided by root of x squared positive 1 positive x. So this is equal to log of, now this is a negative b multiplied with a plus b, which is going to be a squared negative b squared. So that in turn is going to give me root of x squared positive 1 multiplied with x squared, root of x squared positive 1 is going to give me x squared positive 1. Negative and positive is going to give me negative x squared divided by, I have root of x squared positive 1 positive x. So this is what I got. So negative x squared positive x squared goes up, giving me log of 1 over root of x squared positive 1 positive x. So this is what I got. Okay, now we know a formula, log of a over b is equal to log a negative log b. So this is going to be equal to log of 1 negative log of root of x squared positive 1 positive x, right? But log of 1 is 0. So this is 0 negative log of root of x squared positive 1 positive x, which can be rewritten as negative log of root of x squared positive 1 positive x. But what is this? This is the original function. You see here? So this is equal to negative f of x. But what did we do here? We started with f of negative x. So what is the meaning of this? This means f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. So what is the conclusion? This means f of x is odd. So what does that mean? That means integral negative 1 to 1 log of x positive root of x squared positive 1 times dx is equal to 0. So you can write that. This means I is equal to 0 and you can box the result. So this is a beautiful question. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everybody.